Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you determine the electron geometry for ammonia. So ammonia has a chemical formula of NH3, and to find out its electron geometry we are first going to look at its Lewis structure followed by its shape. So here's a Lewis structure of NH3 in which nitrogen atom is in the center and it has a lone pair of electron and it is bonding with three hydrogen atoms. So the structure might seem very simple, but when you look at its 3D structure and when you try to understand how these electrons are bonding with each other, it will give you a clear idea of what kind of electron geometry it is. So what happens is when nitrogen atom is in the center, it forms bonds with three hydrogen atoms. There is one lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom, and due to this the geometry of the molecular geometry of the molecule is trigonal pyramidal, but that is the molecular geometry. Here we are talking about the electron geometry. So as you can see, there are four electron regions over here because there are three hydrogen atoms and there is one lone pair of electron. So there are four electron regions over here, and hence the electron geometry of the molecule becomes tetrahedral. So you can also find it out by using a table and by determining the steric number of this molecule, but this is the most easy way to go around it. In electron geometry, we consider the electron regions and electrons, and we just do not look at the shape. We consider all these things when we are looking at electron geometry. So molecular geometry and electron geometry are two different things, and if you have been confused about it, there's a recap for this, that ammonia has a tetrahedral electron geometry and trigonal pyramidal molecular geometry. I hope this video helps you to understand that, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon, and thank you for watching.